We'll be disassembling the U-joints on a drive shaft. First, we're going to remove the snap rings located at the end of each of the bearings. It's handy to usually have the drive shaft in the vise. Now we're going to use a 3-in-1 tool to push out the ends of the bearings. As you can see in the 3-in-1 tool, one end is open, allowing for the bearing to be pushed through. However, you do want to be careful not to go too far, or you can damage the grease seals on the ends of the bearing. Now we're going to take a set of pliers to help us twist out the bearing. You want to be extremely careful, or you can fling the little needle bearings located inside the bearing cap everywhere, which are very hard to pick up. Now we're going to push the other bearing out the other side. Once again, being careful not to go too far and damage the bearing cap. Twist out this bearing. This one's a little stubborn, so we're going to push it out using 3-in-1. You want to be careful not to knock out the needle bearings if you do end up doing this. This here is the yoke. You can tell by the yoke has splined shafts that usually hook to the back of the transmission. See, so it seems to be a little bit on the stuck side as well. If you do happen to drop one of these bearing caps and needle bearings fall out, it is better just to go get new bearing caps. It is nearly impossible, one, to find all the bearings, and two, you can get dirt in there, which makes assembly extremely difficult, and you'll probably end up damaging it going and getting a new bearing cap anyway. This bearing cap is full of needle bearings, and there is a grease seal on the end right there. You can't press it too far and damage the grease seal, as seen by this damaged grease seal here. This here is the drive shaft. The top of it has been disassembled now.